Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous. If humanity collectively decides that creating digital superintelligence is the right move, then we should do so very, very carefully.
Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts! Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the wonders of artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to take a journey into the exciting world of AI and discover what makes the GPT-3 version, developed by none other than Elon Musk, so special. So buckle up and get ready to immerse yourself in the mind-blowing potential of AI. We'll take a look at how this technology is shaping our lives and changing the way we work and play. From virtual personal assistants to chatbots that can answer our every question, AI is transforming the world in ways we'd never imagined. But wait, there's more. We'll also discuss the impact AI may have on our future, both the potential benefits and the potential drawbacks. Will AI create new jobs or cost us our current ones? What does this mean for businesses and society as a whole? These are all questions we'll tackle in today's video. Before we continue, be aware that AI may take a lot of control away from us. It may even become in control of hitting the like and subscribe button. For now, you are in control, so hit them before an AI learns how to do it for you. So are you ready to discover the wonders of AI and the GPT-3 version by Elon Musk? Let's dive in and find out what the future holds. Let's get started. What is an AI? An AI is like a robot brain. It's all about making computers smart enough to do things that normally only people can do. Think about it like this. We use our eyes and ears to see and hear things, and our brain to make sense of all that information. With AI, computers can do the same thing, using special software to process information and make decisions. This field of computer science is all about creating machines that can do tasks that would normally require human intelligence. For example, AI can help computers see and recognize objects and images, understand what people are saying, make decisions, and even translate languages. It's pretty amazing, right? AI is changing the world as we know it, and it's exciting to think about all the possibilities it brings. From chatbots that can help us find information, to virtual personal assistants that can manage our schedules, AI is making our lives easier and more convenient. The world's most advanced human-shaped robot is called a mecha, representing the forefront of human robotics technology. Designed specifically as a platform for development into future robotics technologies, a mecha is the perfect humanoid robot platform for human-robot interaction. A mecha looks human, but it's extremely dumb. Unlike AlphaZero or GPT-3, it was not built to display intelligence, either narrow or general. Another human-looking robot is Sophia. It includes features for facial recognition, visual tracking, and other AI-based activities, as well as natural language processing and voice. Sophia is intended for use in research, education, and entertainment, and it aids in fostering societal debate on AI ethics and the potential of robotics. Can AI harm us human beings? The advancement of artificial intelligence technology is making rapid progress, and everyone is mostly talking about its potential benefits. However, many people are also fearful of the impact it could have on their lives. They fear that AI would take away their jobs, leading to widespread unemployment. There is concern that AI algorithms could be biased and make discriminatory decisions, without any accountability. People are also worried about the potential misuse of AI, including the use of AI in weapons and cyber attacks that could cause harm on a large scale. There is a fear that AI could become too advanced and surpass human control, leading to disastrous consequences. Despite these fears, researchers and engineers continue to work on improving AI technology, hoping to address these concerns and make AI a positive force for good. They believe that with responsible development and deployment, AI could be harnessed for the benefit of humanity. And so the story of AI continues, with the hope that its potential will be realized and its fears allayed for a better future for all. The GPT-3 version by Elon Musk. The generative pre-trained Transformer 3, created by the brilliant minds at OpenAI, founded by none other than Elon Musk himself. Let me tell you, this AI system is like a Swiss Army knife for language tasks. It can generate text, translate languages, and even carry on a conversation with you. Can you imagine that? A machine that can understand and respond to your questions just like a human would. Mind-blowing, right? But what sets the GPT-3 apart from other language models is its versatility and accuracy. It's like having a personal assistant who knows multiple languages and can complete tasks for you with ease. This is just the tip of the iceberg, folks. The future is here, and AI is leading the way. The purpose behind GPT-3. Elon Musk is a man who needs no introduction. He's a billionaire entrepreneur, tech visionary, and a true innovator in every sense of the word. And his passion for advancing the field of AI and exploring its potential applications is what drives him to create something like the GPT-3. He's a man who is always looking towards the future, always thinking of ways to make our world a better place. And AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live our lives. From improving efficiency and streamlining processes to saving lives, the possibilities are endless. And that's exactly what Elon Musk and the team at OpenAI aim to achieve with the GPT-3. They want to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, to explore new frontiers, and to set the stage for future generations to build upon and take to new heights. The GPT-3 is just the beginning. It's a starting point, a foundation upon which future innovations can be built. And who knows what the future will bring? Perhaps one day we'll be able to sit back and let the machines do all the work for us, allowing us to enjoy the fruits of their labor. The idea may seem far-fetched now, but with Elon Musk and his team at the helm, anything is possible. And that's why the GPT-3 and Elon Musk's vision for AI are so important. They're not just about creating the next big thing. They're about shaping our future and making the world a better place. So whether you're a tech geek or just someone who wants to know what the future holds, it's definitely worth paying attention to what Elon Musk and his team at OpenAI are up to. Because they're the ones who are shaping the future, one innovation at a time. Cool things you can do with AI. And now, let's dive into the really exciting stuff. The incredible things you can do with AI. The possibilities are endless and limited only by our imagination. Chatbots, for example, are making it easier for us to access information and find answers to our questions. Need to know the weather forecast for tomorrow? Just ask a chatbot, and it'll give you the answer in seconds. How cool is that? But AI is also making waves in the world of personal assistants, with virtual personal assistants like Siri
Okay, what would you like the email to say?
and Alexa.
Alexa, it's game day.
Streaming football on Prime Video.
We can now manage our schedules, set reminders, and even control our smart home devices with just our voice. It's like having a personal secretary, but without all the paperwork. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. AI is also being used in finance to make predictions, in healthcare to diagnose diseases, and in education to provide personalized learning experiences. The impact of AI on these industries is immense, and it's only going to get bigger as time goes on. The future of AI. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, the future of this technology becomes a hot topic of discussion. On one hand, we have experts who believe that AI will be a game changer for various industries, bring about new job opportunities, and enhance our daily lives. On the other hand, as we have discussed earlier in this video, there are also concerns about AI's potential to displace human workers and cause widespread unemployment. The reality is, we cannot predict the future of AI with absolute certainty. However, what we do know is that AI is here to stay, and it is up to us to determine how it will shape our future. As with any technological advancement, AI brings both advantages and drawbacks. It's our responsibility to leverage AI's potential for the greater good and minimize any potential negative impacts. For businesses, AI presents a huge opportunity to optimize operations, improve efficiency, and increase productivity. From automating mundane tasks to providing valuable insights and predictions, AI can transform the way businesses function. However, it also requires companies to invest in new technologies, train employees, and reevaluate their business models. For individuals, AI presents a new skill set that they can acquire and utilize to enhance their careers. From data analysis to software development, there are numerous AI-related job opportunities that are in high demand. At the same time, there are also concerns about AI's ability to replace certain jobs and impact employment rates. This highlights the need for individuals to continuously educate themselves and acquire new skills to stay relevant in the AI-driven world. In conclusion, the future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. Whether you're a business owner, an employee, or just someone interested in technology, it is crucial to stay informed about AI and its potential impact on our lives. By embracing AI and leveraging its potential, we can ensure that it remains a positive force for good in our world. In today's video, we explored the fascinating world of AI, specifically the GPT-3 language model developed by Elon Musk and OpenAI. Our aim was to educate and entertain, and we hope we succeeded in doing so. Now, it's time for you to share your thoughts with us. What do you think about AI and its future? Do you believe it has the potential to positively transform our world? Or are you afraid of its effects on employment and society as a whole? We would love to hear from you in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Our team is dedicated to bringing you motivating and insightful videos every week, so make sure you're always in the loop. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.